Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian here. I'm gonna teach you how to ride the RipStik today. A lot of people think it's difficult, but we got a few tips that should help you guys out. First things we're gonna do is establish your foot placement. If you're regular or goofy, if you don't know. Left foot forward like this while holding onto the handrail would be regular foot. So if that feels comfortable going forward this way, then you're more likely you're gonna be regular foot. So this will be your stance. And if you're goofy, it's on the other side over here with your left foot forward. If that feels uncomfortable being regular foot, you might be goofy foot. And goofy is right foot forward. Hold on the handrail again. Put both feet on. And now if this feels more comfortable, then more likely you're gonna be goofy foot. Okay, so now that we established which direction you ride, either regular or goofy, we're gonna move into foot placement on the decks. So you want to place your feet on the decks directly, pretty much over the wheels. And you wanna make sure your toes aren't hanging too far over, your heels aren't too far off, and you're kind of centered above the wheels to keep that balance point in that comfortable spot where you can kind of move both ways back and forth like this. Because it's two wheels, it'll want to tip over back and forth. And holding onto this, you can establish where that sweet spot is on the RipStik. So still holding onto the handrail, we want to find our balance point. The feet are already locked in right on the deck, so let's move a little bit. You want to feel what the RipStik wants to do. You can feel it tip, kind of tip back and forth, feel it, but you have the handrail here as your crutch. But then you can kind of just still feel what the RipStik wants to do. It wants to tip one way or the other. So now you can find your balance point before you take off on your own. Okay, so now that we've established using the handrail, we're gonna try and now let go of the handrail a little bit and turn the RipStik, leaning, deck tilts, so we can maneuver the RipStik and feel how to turn it. So we'll start off with the handrail again. One hand maybe this time. We'll let go and try to turn away from the rail and maybe come back to it. So your heel back down this way and go this way. And that's it. We'll start like right there. That's a good way to start. Turn your heel this way and come back. Drift back. And you can kind of see what the RipStik wants to do when you use your deck tilt. And with the guide and the handrail, if you feel comfortable, you just let go a little bit longer, use your balance point, and just see what the RipStik does. All right, guys, we're gonna show you how to take off on the RipStik from a flat ground here. Always have the RipStik facing you this way. Throw your front foot on in that sweet spot. Give 2 pushes going that way, and then throw your back foot on like this. Now we're gonna do the goofy stance, take off on a flat surface. Same thing, find that sweet spot with your front foot, 2 pushes, and throw that back foot on. All right, so now that you're on and riding, we're gonna show you how to generate speed. One thing is, you wanna open up your shoulders, kind of do like a swivel technique. If you watch the feet, the deck will go left, right, and use that back foot. Back foot is kind of like a pump, like it back and forth, that'll generate some speed. And then to turn, the decks do opposite maneuvers. The deck is heel side turn, drop your heel. Toe side turn, drop your toe. And if you watch, the back deck does the opposite to make that turn. So when you want to turn, drop that toe, free up the back foot, drop your heel, and so on. Back and forth. You see the flow? It's like that. It's like that, y'all. Now that we've shown you how to ride the RipStik, you learn to carve and turn, we need to show you how to get off. Slow down, come to almost a stop. Take your back foot off, just in reverse of how we got on the RipStik. The best way to get off So just like this, leave the front foot on, pull the back foot off the back. That's how you get off. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Hope you learned something. Catch you next time on the RipStik official channel.